Hey guys, Notion is no longer just notes. It's an operating system. Some people say a second brain. Step 1, stop using Notion as a document tool. If you only write notes, you're wasting it. Instead, databases for tasks, relations for projects, rollups for tracking progress. Use the new automation features properly. In these years, updates focus on smarter automation, AI-assisted database actions, faster load times. Automate repetitive admin work, not thinking. Step 3. Build one system, not 10. Most people fail by creating too many pages, too many templates. One dashboard, everything else connects to it. Weekly maintenance habit. Once a week, archive completed tasks, clean unused pages, review priorities. Notion rewards consistency, not complexity. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.